Hi everybody, how are you all? I'm sure that you all are fine and safe. So today we are going to learn or we are going to start a very new topic, that is code with robot. So as this is our first class of code with robot, here we will start making a circuits. Code with robot, there would be no robot, any extract like that, but in this we will learn how to create a robot. So we will not directly go how to create a robot, but we will start from a lower level, that is circuit. First, we will see how to create a circuit. Then slowly, in slow manner, we will go how to create a robot. So it's very easy. Chali. So let's start. First of all, for this we have to not download any software. It is one type of website where we will go through Google Chrome. So let's just open a Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, you have to here type Tinkercad, as you can see, and press enter. After typing it, you will see this type of thing will be appearing in your computer or a desktop. So I will keep this link in the description box, don't worry. Here, after doing, here we will click on join now option. Here, if you are in school, so you can do educate start here or student join a class, but I will suggest create your personal account. Here, if you have an email, if you remember email and password, just sign up with your email and password. And if you have already in your Google or you have to sign in with Google, you can click on this, or Apple also option was there. Here I have chosen Google. So whatever account you will have for a Google should have your accounts, right? Most probably he has. So he will show you any one account you have to select if you have to more than one accounts. Okay. This type of thing would be appear here, your name or the email name would be there. Now, after going here, we will go here for a circuits, not for the 3D design. So we have to go for a circuits. After coming here for a circuits, we will do create a new circuit. Create a new circuit. After going, it will load for 1 to 2 minutes. And after that, this thing would be appear. After that, it's very simple now what to do. So first of all, today, mostly my aim is for this is to do the thing in the reality. Mostly when we are programming, if you're making a robot also, then first we program. So that is the thing we are programming right now. Programming with robot. We can say code with robot. Okay, so let us start. Today we are going to make LED glow. Today we are going to make LED glow. So let us start it. First of all, for LED glow, mostly we need LED. Here we need resistor. I will tell you everything, what is a resistor, what is LED, what is anything, everything. And here we will choose battery. Okay. Yeah, done. Right. Here. Now, first of all, let us understand what is positive and what is negative. First of all, let us understand what is positive and what is negative. Mostly positive means anode. Mostly positive means anode. Mostly positive means anode. Mostly positive means anode. And if I say about negative, so mostly negative means cathode. Negative means cathode. Okay. Negative means cathode. Negative means cathode. And positive means anode. In everything, we have 2 points, 2 terminals, negative terminal and positive terminal, or negative or a positive. So let us start it. So second, yeah. Yes. So let us start it. Now, in the battery also we have positive and negative. So anode 1 should be mixed with the positive. Cathode 1 should be mixed with negative. Here, when you are going to shallow, and this is resistor. Okay, what is resistor? What is resistor? Resistor is mostly used for connecting any wire. It doesn't have negative positive. It has terminal 1, terminal 2. It doesn't mean you can connect from any of the side. Mostly it used to connect the wires, one wire to second wire or third wire. Okay, let us start it. And guess many of you have a doubt that can we use this battery, this battery, this battery. Yeah, you can use all batteries, but sometimes it happens that battery is providing that much power to that thing that it is diffused. Sometimes it gives it very less energy so that it cannot glow only. So you have to try here. Here you have to try and check that is it working with this. If it is working with this, you have to do with that part. Okay, so let us start it. Here, as I said, anode. So we will just connect with this, this, and this. Done. And this part, this. Okay, why we are taking a use of resistor? Many of you should have this doubt, right? I'm sure. So mostly register is, you will see here without register also worked. Here it will work in this programming. But in the real life, in a reality, if you will do, it won't work. Register is important in every and single thing. Okay, so here what I did anode, means the positive part I connected to positive. So you can just, for understanding, I'm doing this red wire for the positive and black wire for the negative. Okay, for your understandable thing. Okay, so let us see our result. For seeing the result, you have to click on start similar. As you can see, our bulbs close. You can change your color by selecting it, and here this type of thing will appear. Here you can change your color. Okay, there are a lot of colors. You can choose any. I've chosen green. Okay, so it is a pointless direction. You can turn this. You can turn this any side. Okay. 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 Now we will do the same process with bulb. With bulb. Same thing would happen again. Just instead of LED, we will take a light bulb. Same thing. Totally same thing. Resistor, one cell battery. But it depends that is this battery is working with light bulb or not. Okay, same here, positive, negative. But in the bulb, we doesn't have any positive or negative. We can connect anything to anything would be worked about it, right? Okay. So here you can connect directly also, but in reality, you won't. In reality, it will show you an error. It won't work. Your result would be wrong. Your result won't work. Okay. So yeah, till here we just did it. Oh no, sorry, I'm really sorry. Yeah. So again, for you, I'm just doing it. For what wire you have to connect from. Okay. So you can see now, for making your that nicely, you can do that all things. Yeah. So I'm just making I'm just making it red in color. Red in that. And I'm making this part as a black. Okay. So you can, it is also make our presentation attractive, and it is also looking guys, that yes, we have means it is understandable for the fronter one that yes, this is positive, this is negative. Okay. So this was all for today. Let us see that our bulb is working on. Yeah, so all the things are glowing. You can see this and this. So please make this project and you can send me on my Gmail. That is sakshikidya.codinggirl@gmail.com. Okay, so today or now I'm going to introduce about my earlier projects, what I have uploaded my videos. Do you all want to see them? Let us see them. The projects for artificial intelligence, project for beginners. You can follow my videos for your study, for your courses if you want. And this was our first day for a first video, we can say, for this topic, that is code with robot. On coming days, when I will upload the second video, it can be that we will work on Arduino. Okay, it is also type of circuit only. In that we will learn many new things, but I think before that I will make some small more circuits videos so that it can be a revision for you all, right? So please like, share and subscribe it my channel, and follow my channel for getting more videos, more educational videos actually. Yeah, so please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting more educational videos. Thank you.